EngineDIY sent me this turbofan engine model DM135, containing 600 plus pieces. Building time is around 5 hours. The engine is fully metal and a real challenge to build. Here we see an overview of all components that are in the box. The manual tells you exactly what part you need. For instance, here it tells us that we need bearing number 110. On the drawing and on the parts box it tells you exactly which part you need. Let's assemble, starting with the intake. Then the low pressure compressor. The intermediate receiver assembly. Gearbox assembly. The high pressure compressor. Assembling the combustion chamber section. The low pressure turbine. And assembling the tail nozzle SE. Now it is time to put all the engine sections together. So I have no idea why, but my camera stopped recording when I installed most of the outer casing of the engine. Assembling the awesome tail nozzle and installing all the accessory components. Thanks EngineDIY for sending me this model engine. Do you want to build this engine too? Click the link in my bio and use code NG16 for 16% off your order at checkout.